This is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. We're about to give out the bones. Yeah, there's one. Yeah, there's two. Yeah, there's three. Come here, silver boy. Oh, this one wants to get one. That's the silver female. I mean, the chocolate female. There, see, we got it. Okay, we give her out the bones. Someone asked me if I could show them the males. So we have 4 males. Einstein's a male. Brownie is a female. Hunter is a male. Shadow is a female. Levi, the man, is a male. Violet's a female. All females in this cage. Coca-Cola. Charlotte. Hopi. Okay, now, Pepsi's a female, Pikachu's a female, and Crypto is a male. So that's it, that's all the males I have. Now, you don't want to put the males together, because if you do, they would actually fight each other till they got hurt, or someone could actually die. That was Rosie and Faith, and we don't want to do that. Because they fight because I probably have Blackie and Molly. I probably have 1 or 2 females every month that go into heat, you know? So, and I don't really want the males to get, oh, look at how that Silverwood took that one away from her. So, I'll just post it out there. There you go. So, yeah, we don't want them to get into any fights. So, I just separate them. They're good dogs. It's just that if there's a female in heat, they fight each other. You know, like lions do, you know? So, we don't allow that. Rich Bowers signing off, and God bless.